In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a radio button to a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to create interactive forms, and I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can follow along with ease. To start, open the PDF document you'd like to edit in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your document is open, you'll want to locate the All Tools tab, which is conveniently situated on the right-hand panel. Click on it and then select the tool named Prepare Form. This option allows you to make your document interactive, transforming it into a fillable form. After selecting Prepare Form, you'll see a Create Form button. Click on this and a dialog box will pop up. You simply need to click OK to proceed. Now that you're in the form editing mode, look for the radio button icon on the toolbar. This tool is vital for adding radio buttons to your form, which allows users to make choices from a predefined set of options. Now that you're set up with the right tool, click and drag your cursor on the area of the PDF where you want your radio button to appear. It's as simple as that to place the button exactly where it's needed. If at any point you find that your cursor needs to return to normal mode, just click on Select Text and you're back to the standard cursor setup. Next, let's fine-tune your newly added radio button. Double-click the button, or alternatively, you can right-click on it, and that will open the Properties window. This is where you can modify settings such as the button style to suit your document's design. For those working with multiple radio buttons and who need them to function as a group, there's an easy way to do this. Highlight the buttons, right-click to open Properties again, and you're able to group them. You'll then head to the General tab and enter a name for your group. This is essential for organizing your options and keeping everything tidy. Switch over to the Options tab next, where you can provide a specific label for each radio button choice. This is crucial as it defines the selections that your form users will see. Make sure to check the box labeled Buttons with the same name and choice are selected in unison. This ensures that similar choices across your form maintain consistent behavior. Once you've finished with your adjustments, go ahead and close the Radio Button Properties window. The final step is to click on Preview located in the bottom left of your screen to test your radio buttons. This allows you to ensure that everything is functioning as expected before finalizing your form. And there you have it, a fillable form with functional radio buttons, ready for distribution or further use.